Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some really great clearance prices on some great meat, potatoes, laundry items over at Family Dollar. If you might have this store in your area, I would definitely go out and see what they might have. It's definitely worth looking into. You can look up prices on the app, but for the most amount of success, I really think you have to go in store and see what they might have. Depending where you live in the US, I know a lot of us were hammered in the weekend and the beginning of the week with this awful snowstorm. We got like 25 inches of snow, still kind of digging out of it. So just be safe on the roads, guys. Obviously, if you live on the West Coast, you're not dealing with it. But for us, Midwest, East Coast, just be smart. Deals always come back. And let's not forget that. Okay, if you can track this stuff down, it's definitely worth going in store, looking for the tags, or even asking for a price check. This totally awesome. It's called a laundry pre-wash, 15 cents. Saw this at numerous stores for this price point. So if you can track this down, obviously if another extreme couponer beats you to the store, it might get cleared very quickly because this is a very unique price point. But if you see a lot of these in the laundry section and they're not tagged, you might have just stumbled into some hidden clearance. And we have this 80 count of the Arm & Hammer Odor Busters. This is a dryer sheet for 60 cents, which is a crazy price point as well. This Arm & Hammer stuff, either you really love it or you don't. So, you decide what you want to stock up on. Because I know not everybody likes Arm & Hammer. Some people prefer P&G laundry care like Tide, and I happen to be one of those people. We have the 68 loaders of the deep clean of Arm & Hammer for $1.85. And it might be a little bit more at your store. Every store, the clearance prices will be a little bit different. So the best way to do this is to go in store, look for the tags, and failing it's not ringing up properly, it might be a little bit later at your store. You can always look in the app for prices. That's another way around it. And don't be shy to ask for price checks because you might be surprised what you're picking up and what the prices are, especially if it's a really busy store or if they're short staffed. They might not have everything tagged, and that would be the most advantageous thing for you guys. Let's just keep moving on. This is stuff that I found in the app. These are usually close to $5 or the refills are $4. It's down to $3.47. Some of the items actually say clearance. So then you're picking the right stuff. We also have a lot of these Tides at $6.97. So that's definitely a clearance price. And if there's a digital coupon, it's a little bit less, and we love to see that. Attaching to a lot of these products is a 5 off of 20. I know they have a 5 off 25 on Saturdays over there, but they are a casino that does not like to lose, and you can't stack coupons with these promotions. Kind of difficult. So even for $10.50, like, this isn't the most exciting price point. I really believe that in a month from now, this might go down to 75% off because, again, a lot of these prices are not very exciting. I know for the Gain, there's another 5 off 25 as well. So you might want to load that if you want to stock up. And if your store or your area has a lot of couponers, it might be the moment to pounce on a lot of these deals. But if you live like I do in a rural area, maybe, like the old Kenny Rogers song, know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em. This might be a thing that you hold it and wait. And even though we've had a ton of snow and I can't get out to Family Dollar, I think I'm going to wait and see what happens. Maybe this will be $1.75 in a couple of weeks. Maybe yes, maybe no, but for $5.75, I still think it's too much. Now, this is one product. It was $6. I think it was a whole bunch of Christmas stuff pennied out at the Dollar General. If that was in January, it was a couple months back. It was on clearance for that price point, but it doesn't say clearance in the app. But whenever something is like a weirder price and there is no coupon attaching, you just know it's clearance item. Family Dollar also does this weird thing where they actually reduce the cost of the coupon to the item in the app, which I do not like. But this is a 21 counter for $4.97, so that is not bad, and it's part of the spend 20 save 5 on P&G. This is the home line, which is the Family Dollar line for $1.77, and you're getting 16.2 ounces. I would definitely look for the Palmolive, the Dawn, the Ajax if you like the name brand soaps as well. And the final value dish soap for 77 cents for 24 fluid ounces. Not a bad little find. I would get out to Family Dollar, see what they might have, and can you make something work, yes or no, or are you going to wait? Be safe on the roads, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.